Hey everybody, Jonathan here, and I wanted to make this video about the new Tesla Supercharger version 3. So this one is going to charge at 250 kilowatt. So let's go ahead and let's get on over there. I am right now in Milpitas, and we're going to be driving to Fremont, California. The charger is at the Tesla factory, so we're going to give it a try. I tried to go yesterday, but there was a lot of people already there and I didn't get a chance to really use it. So let's go for a ride and check it out. You hear it. And you can notice the cord is thinner too. So let's give it a try. Let's give it a go. So I'm here charging at the Fremont factory on the Supercharger version 3, and I can't seem to get it to go above 83 kilowatts. So, and I know it's supposed to charge up to 250, but it's not doing it. And I know on these superchargers, it shows on this one, you can tell this one has the thinner cord too. So. And then if you look down the way over there, it'll say V2 on the top. So these are supposed to be the version 3 ones, and it's not working. So I'm not sure why it's not working for my car. And I started charging at, that's my dog belly right there. I started charging at 19%. So I wanted I was trying to get the battery indicator to turn orange or yellow, whatever color it was. So that it would, take advantage of the charging all the way up. Look, so you see now it's like 86, 87, but it doesn't go any higher than that. So I'm not sure what's going on. I have the latest update. I believe it was 20.0.1, I think it is. And today it's June the 15th, I think it is. So I'm not sure what's going on. If you guys have any recommendations, or maybe I'm not doing something correctly, but I do know that when I plugged in the cord, it kept you could hear the latch on the inside going up and down as if it wasn't all the way in. It wasn't inserting all the way in. So I took it out and then I pushed it in as hard as I could to see if maybe I wasn't pushing it in or if there was something stuck in there, and it just kept saying charging stopped. And then after I waited maybe about a minute or two, then it started changing to this on the screen. It says supercharging, but again, it doesn't go very fast, so I'm not sure why I'm having this experience. If anybody has any recommendations, or if I'm doing something wrong, please leave a comment below. But I just wanted to try to show everybody what the supercharging for version 3 looked like, but unfortunately I couldn't get it to work. So thanks again for watching, and have a good one.